Me and my friend are playing MM2 today. Wee. Wait, hold on. Let's get a thumbnail. Mr. Bacon, come on. Right in the picnic.
Okay.
Come here. Like, come beside me. Like, go walk right beside me, dude. No, like, stand like the... that works. Just stay there. Put on shift. Alright, and then let's get a good thumbnail. Alright. Let's see if we can defeat campers. Is there any campers?
What's this little kid doing?
This kid's trying to trade, I'm pretty sure. Is he doing the little glitch? No. Okay, but anyways, me and my friend want to play MM2, so we're gonna try to, I don't really know what we're gonna do. We're just
Basically,
just play, just have fun. Hope you all enjoy. Me and him aren't really the best at this game, so.
yeah, I've never played some.
He's never played him. Yeah. Oh my
So
God, the
that's
kids with the speed glitch are just insane. Like, going crazy. Alright, turn it down. I got innocent, of course. Oh, yay! I love innocent. I love this game so. Excuse me? Did I just hear that? Oh, okay. I'm gonna stay up here because I feel safe. I'm gonna go right in this room. Never mind. It's not a room. I'm so stupid, bro. I'm actually dumb.
What?
Never mind. You know what? I'm gonna go through this. Vent camping? Vent camping? Oh. Yay. Let me just, I don't care that chat isn't available. Leave me alone, man. I'm just trying to make a YouTube video, but there's nothing to do on this game. And I'm broke, so. Yacht, please. I am not going Mansion 2, I swear. If someone voted Mansion 2. Whatever. Wait, how much votes is on Mansion? Oh, never mind. Oh, this girl has Batwing? That's like one of my favorite knives. They're so sick. Oh, excuse me. I was trying to look at your Batwing. Bro's dragging me away. That's sad, bro.
Bro just dipped.
Mm-hmm. Alright, me murder. Time to go hunt some bodies. Let's get some people. Yeah done. I want to check the hitbox that I have because I don't really know what hitbox I have. Let me just kill this AFK girl. Then let's go up here. Is this another AFK girl? No, she had the gun.
I seen you.
Hey, little guy. Is everybody AFK? I swear. Is everybody... Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, you cooked, bud. Oh, I'm cooked.
Are you murder?
Yeah.
There's a girl in here that's just AFK. Oh, that ain't a girl.
Are you outside?
No.
I'm not even looking at your screen, so don't worry about it. Anyways. There's people in the basement. Where is everybody?
There's a basement?
Yes. You're probably in the basement, matter of fact. I seen you outside once, Mr. Bacon.
Mr. Bacon.
Beach balls.
And I seen you for a second too.
Okay. People. Hello? Hello? Bro. Wait, is that a kid? There's no way that's actually a person. No, I think I'm stupid. No, I'm just stupid at
I
this.
switched places.
Give me a P.